YouTube? We here with our first banger.
Yep.
I'm Tish.
I'm nobody. Call me nobody. Don't say my name. Don't say my name. Just call me
Queen
nobody.
Tamaya.
So today we're doing a mukbang. We have sushi that we got from Fresh Time, and we have a seafood boil that I partially made myself, but we got from Red Juicy Crab here in Milwaukee.
We got crawfish, the sauce, the weird sauce.
Oh!
Alright, that's cool. That's good, guys.
Oh,
Yes.
that's sad. His sushi failed.
We have a Q and A, get to know us, because of course we're starting our YouTube channel,
And I can't wait
and we
to see
need you guys to help us with the name. Somebody give your what do you want the name to be?
Tish and Gang.
She wants to be Tish and the Gang. I potentially said explore with Tish and the Gang.
What?
That's too long.
What do you think, son?
The roadies.
The roadies. Okay. So you guys comment down below. Comment down below, and whichever one that you think that the most that we have the most, that's going to be our name. We have a Q&A today. People wrote me on Instagram and want me to ask these questions. Get to
She
know
be
us,
laughing all day.
because they're so
I
funny.
mean, it's sushi.
Okay.
I'm on the spicy.
Look at this good food. Look at this good food. Hold on. Come closer.
Come look closer, cameraman.
Come closer. Look at this food. Ooh.
Bustin'. And where the sauce at?
It's in there. It's all in there.
I'm gonna. Oh, you poured it in there?
Got the sushi.
Sushi.
Look at my sushi. Ain't that busted? It's busted.
With our first question. Can Yeezy be a part of our YouTube channel?
Yeezy, who is that?
Yamaya.
Yeah. That's a good question.
Yeah.
Swallow your food.
She's there.
Yamaya again.
Okay.
She's my mini me.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 10.
How old are you?
13.
You never asked.
That's a
women.
big 13, bro.
Oh! Samaya, where's your favorite place to travel?
Georgia.
Where's yours?
To be honest, I want to go somewhere like Tokyo,
He would go to Hong Kong.
Japan.
I'm gonna get back to that, but our channel is gonna be basically on a family travel, so we're gonna go a few of those places. Just keep up with us and you'll see. My favorite place to travel is somewhere I've been before. I've been a lot of places. Let me say that
Exactly.
one first. I think it might be Los Angeles. I really like Los Angeles. Somebody, where was your first trip to?
I don't know. In Georgia?
No.
What is it?
I don't remember. You've been, no.
Disney World.
No, that wasn't the first place. Where was your first trip to?
I don't know. I was a baby.
Let me see.
Oh, my first trip was to Wisconsin.
Oh my god, bro. My first trip was to, I don't know. Been so many places.
Exactly.
Yeah, been a lot of places.
No, we don't know that. Who answered that? Who
My
said
first
that?
trip was to...
Who said that question?
My mom, I used to go a lot of places when I was a kid too, but I can remember one of my first times out the country when I was 12 years old. I was in this program. We went to Costa Rica. So that was the first memorable trip for me.
How was it? Was it fun?
Yes, it was very fun. We were gone for like a week. I enjoyed
I would
it.
love that.
What is something that you miss about your dad?
I'm telling you.
Dang! Swallow your food!
Exactly.
What is something you miss about your dad? Somebody was 2 when he passed. Who was 5? What is something that you miss?
My dog one.
To be honest, I really miss let's see,
When he used to treat him like
going on all them trips to house.
I miss when he treated
it's not fun. But
I like when he gave us everything.
that's being spoiled right there. I just like houses, fun.
Funness.
Speaking of the person that don't like to go nowhere.
Okay,
Yes.
that she's obviously like me. I was
No,
out
we-
the house yesterday. I was going for like the whole yesterday.
Probably for the first time in like a month.
Oh, what?
While we're on that subject, how do you deal with your dad's death? Like, how do you cope with it? And also ask, did we take any therapy?
No.
No, we did not. Could have. Not me and somebody.
Therapy for what? Anger issues?
Hey,
Samaya. Everybody needs therapy. It's good. It's a good coping mechanism. Yes. Because you have cried at your age about your dad, so yes. Okay, next question. Let's get on a lighter side of things. Yeah. What is your favorite sport?
Y'all just being our business.
Football.
Don't do that.
Football. Why? Why is it your favorite
I get
sport?
they hit people and take all my hair out of them.
Angry. What is your
Angry.
favorite? Oh, that was a good question. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Even though she's a pescatarian.
Stereotypical chicken.
Chicken busting with either way you don't eat it or
My
not.
favorite food is sushi.
And then this question is, why, for both you guys, why is your mom so fine?
Who's that? Who asked that?
You're weird. Edit that out.
Why is your mom fine? Why is your mom so
You're not. You're ugly, girl. I don't want to
I
get.
said my son was gonna say that when I seen that question.
She is cute because God made her. And that's why I need. Oh my God!
Huh?
No!
Stop eating wasabi.
I didn't eat. No, it was sitting right here.
Okay.
Bro, leave that in.
Do y'all want to be famous?
I do not want people walking up to me.
I wouldn't necessarily say I want to be famous because I really don't like attention.
I want to be multi-millionaire. I do like attention.
I like the money.
I like the baddies.
I like the money.
He like the baddies.
What? Who said that?
You.
I said I like the money. Yeah.
He said I like the baddies.
Who is your favorite YouTube channel, Pug?
Let's see right here.
Mine is.
I want to hear this one.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been watching a lot of P2. P2 is probably one of the first YouTubers I ever watched, and he's my favorite. I've been watching him since Fortnite Hat God and stuff.
Okay, somebody
You
put them.
My favorite YouTuber is, my favorite YouTuber is, I got one. Tink and Jimmy. Jimmy and Tink.
I just got into YouTube, so, but I'm gonna say Scuba Tag because I do watch all his videos and they're very comical.
You was waiting for somebody to say
Go
that.
subscribe.
You was waiting for somebody to say that.
Who's the crybaby of the family? Maya or Pug?
It's cool.
I'm not crybaby,
Here.
guy.
Really? Pug is definitely the crybaby of the family. He doesn't want to do anything. We can go to the funnest place in the world. He like, how long we gotta be here?
We gotta stay in line.
That's not being a crybaby.
We went to Disney World for his birthday.
And he did not
He didn't want to
stand
stand in the lines. He didn't want to stand in the lines.
Whoa.
So we literally didn't do much at Disney World. Mind y'all know how much it costs.
Wait. Don't edit that out. Don't say that, bro, because
He said edit that out.
I did want to wait in line. It was you talking about, he's not going to do long on there.
Why you say it like that?
It's a lie.
Alright, move on to the next question.
What age did your first tooth come out?
Y'all be acting the stupidest guys.
Yo, God, I'm asking ugly.
Oh. Never mind.
Alright, I think mine was about 4 and it was at Grandeur old house.
Mine was
So it was wiggly, right?
Oh, mine
I
was
punched
6.
it out.
Yeah.
Six.
We put that string on it and it pulled it.
It was 6,
and it just flew
y'all.
out.
It was 6. I was 6.
My turtle suit fell out at like 4, right? Cause I was at Grandeur house. And then we was trying to figure out how to make it like go out, so we put a string on it, attached it to a door, and it slammed the door.
That old
But it didn't work. But then Ronte pulled it out.
Who's the better cook, somebody or Pug?
Pug, I can't cook nothing.
Me.
She burnt our this was a few years ago, but she
I was like 6.
our microwave caught on fire.
Oh!
Without water.
Water.
I forgot.
Water, bro. Okay, so basically, so one time, let me tell you a story. One
I'm
time,
so
she was trying to cook some noodles, right? She tried to turn on the stove. The gas was coming up. She was crying, talking about, turn it off. The house gonna blow up.
Because he told me that. He said, if it starts ticking, it's going to blow up.
Somebody asked, can I be your stepdad?
What?
You're not my dad! You also want to hear something? Ugly ass fucking noodle.
No, you cannot.
No.
No, he cannot. Nobody. She going to be safe for the rest of her life.
Oh!
She 100.
She gonna be single with your life.
Why?
Because we don't want no ugly man coming in our house that we don't know.
Okay, so the reason is cause
Even LeBron James.
let's scratch that.
I get the money, but nah. Nah.
Oh, you're a gold digger.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
No, but I'll never call nobody else stepdad.
Okay. My reason she gonna be not married until I die, or I move away far away.
Or until I move out
Why?
this house.
Why?
You don't need to walk.
So they still want me to be with their dad.
I guess she with a ghost.
Woo!
That's
But what is your dream state to live in?
that don't happen.
What's your dream state? I already know your dream state.
No, it's not Georgia.
It's not Georgia?
No,
What's your
I've
dream
been here
state?
before.
But to live
It's Georgia.
is Georgia. Okay, so we're moving to Georgia. Hopefully
Next year.
within next year sometime. And
We didn't move now.
we lived there before Pug lived there.
I'm from Milwaukee. And Pug.
This before somebody was born, but we lived there before and we want to relocate back.
I never lived there in my life. I've been there.
I've been there for like a month this summer.
What's
I've been there for the
the
weekend.
zodiac sign you love? I feel like I fall in love with.
Nobody never said I fall in love.
Signs, dummy.
I fall in love with Virgos and Leos. I don't know why.
Oh my God, bro.
Girl.
God,
Cut that out, sir.
you saying everybody's name, bro.
But he was one of those signs. And your dad, because they birthday a day apart. But yeah, that's the sign that I normally go for, I guess. A sign that you hate. I hate.
Mom, you not let us answer the question.
This is for me. These are questions for me.
Now let me say something.
What?
I don't care about the sign, bro.
I hate Pisces.
I hate cancer.
You can. Pisces do too much and they think of killing people. They crazy.
I don't like Geminis. Me and Geminis.
How about girls?
They
Gemini?
crazy.
They do
I like
anything for
girl
love.
Geminis.
They do anything for love.
It doesn't matter about the sign if you believe that, you know.
Come on, y'all.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay.
On to the next question. If you could be in any music video, what would it be?
Like what? Who music videos?
Any music video you could be in.
P2. Nah.
I be Megan Thee Stallion.
You're half naked, bro. Why?
I'll be in Back That Ass Up. No, I'm just playing. I wouldn't be in no music video.
Me either. I don't.
Me either.
I rarely listen to music,
Me either.
but I do listen to it and it be fire. Like that one song, Roddy Ricch, when they was talking about I need some cheeseburgers and some fries. That's one fire, bro. The remix.
Favorite food. My favorite food is.
I already said that.
This one for me. It's Chinese food. So Samaya, what's the favorite thing you and your mom have in common?
We're gonna know.
This for you, little girl. She gonna.
Oh, okay. So we got in common
our ambition. She's
What? No.
very ambitious like me.
we like got this. We think the same.
Okay.
No, you do not, bro.
Oh!
Like, no, wait. Y'all do not think the same. You think of stupid stuff.
Oh! Stop.
No, but it's true, bro.
Samaya, what's your favorite cheer chant?
They don't even know our cheers. That's the point. Oh, I'm gonna call a name now. My favorite cheer name is called. You know we got it.
Okay.
You know it's called Get You Some.
Okay.
Cause we be jumping and everything.
$1,000 for play date with your favorite singer or TV character.
Okay, so.
Hey, wait.
Samaya. This is a question for Samaya.
For Piper.
Can I
With Piper right here. Piper right here.
Top right
P2,
here.
he gonna say P2.
$1,000. Could have taken 1,000.
No. This is the reason why. Wait.
Without.
Okay, she gonna say 1,000.
I didn't know
But
you
you know,
said that.
I'm gonna get my favorite YouTuber that's famous or something. We gonna record, right? And I'm gonna get clout off that and keep making videos. And then I'm gonna get more money than 1,000.
You smart.
My son's smart.
So I'm
100
gonna
IQ. No, you not. You don't. You are.
Yeah, he does. That was a good line. Hood. What do you have to improve on in football the most?
Who is?
I feel like who said that?
No, keep going. Just
Who said that? My coach or something?
T.
Who is T?
You.
Corey?
Oh.
No. No.
Okay. So. Well, I think I'm blocking.
I'm good. You want this one?
Yeah, my blocking 100%. I got the strength, bro. Like I can, you know, but like I need to work on that. Throw them on the ground and walk over them like I just posterize them.
Okay. Do we get on your nerves?
Yes.
Steph Curry or Giannis?
Giannis. No, Steph Curry.
Ooh. Let's see.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Ain't gonna lie. Like who my favorite player? I don't like
Between
neither.
the-
I
between the two.
don't like neither of them.
Who better?
But like who better?
Yeah.
To be honest,
Who do you
I'm
like
gonna
better?
say I don't
Giannis.
know. I'm not saying that because I don't like neither one of them.
Giannis.
So basically, who puts up more points for their team is probably Stephen
When we
Curry.
was watching the game, he was cheering against the
Okay,
Bucks.
yeah, no.
Oh!
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't wrong. Duh.
He was cheering
Yo,
for the son.
No, I wasn't.
Oh!
No, I wasn't right there. Chill. No, I
You
wasn't.
live in Milwaukee?
No, I wasn't, bro. I was. Why are you lying?
Okay.
You trying to get me beat on the streets of Milwaukee, bro?
Oh!
No, I wasn't.
Okay, he wasn't. I'm playing.
I really wasn't, bro.
Okay, which one?
I say Giannis, bro. Okay.
Yes, he was.
No, I wasn't.
Somebody
Okay,
come to
he puts more strength on the team and he gets like in more, and he probably draw the people into the paint so he can pass it out and get his teammates threes. So you know.
What's the best, this for me, what's the best trip we went on together? We've been a lot of places, but I would say our best trip would be
Florida.
when we went to Disney World the first time. We went to Animal Kingdom. We stayed for like 5 days, and we had a really good time. I think that was our best trip together.
When I went bungee jumping, that was fun.
He went bungee jumping.
I'm too scared.
That's how it was really nice. I'm gonna try to add a clip up in here so you guys can see it. That's good. Where'd he go? well, my dream vacation. I want to go to the motherland. That is my dream vacation. I want to go to the motherland. I was gonna go last year, but I was gonna go by myself.
I want to go.
On my dream.
I want to go to
Now
Jamaica.
this time again, I'm trying to take my kids with me and look out for that one too next year, hopefully.
I want to go.
God will be there.
I want to be in Jamaica.
Okay.
I want to go to Jamaica.
Most recent.
Oh wait, can I answer the question?
This was for me.
I don't care.
Go ahead.
Sorry. Oh, whoa, back up. I was bowing.
Go ahead.
So, my dream vacation is like anywhere in like Japan or Korea. You know,
He like.
I wish I could stay there forever and have the ability to talk the language.
Most recent proudest moment that I have for each child. Samaya.
You about to
Samaya.
say about 5 years ago, bro.
No, just recently. Samaya has stepped up a lot with our properties, because everything that I do for not just me, my kids. So when I say I don't say my property, I say ours, or I say not my daycare, I say ours, because they help me with everything that I do and they're my motivation. But Samaya,
He don't do nothing, y'all.
You throwing me under the bus. I'm talking about stepping up. You don't know what I said, keep that in.
Samaya has come. We were just recently fixing up on our property. She came and helped me paint. And she have come and helped me fix up the property.
Look at my clothes. I wish I could show y'all my clothes.
I don't care if we gotta stay there the whole day, paint, whatever we doing, she come with me and she doesn't complain.
Man, I think that's
Okay.
Ooh, lobster.
And put, I'ma say one of my most proudest moments is when he went to Georgia for the summer.
No, my most proud moment, but good that he.
He went to Georgia for the summer. He stepped out of his element because my baby don't like going nowhere, especially not without me. So,
whoa. I walk to the store now and then, bro. I don't be with you.
to the store. But yeah, he went outside his element and he went.
I stayed there for a month and I had to come back on a plane by myself. I was scared, man. I was looking suspiciously around. Somebody would have behind my seat. I'd been.
Tish, this for me. Do you plan to be a wife? Yes. But I feel like how today people treat marriage. I don't want to be married. I don't want to get married.
You don't want to be like Rihanna, bro.
Who?
Rihanna or Chris Brown.
People don't take that down serious. So it gotta be the
They
really
say it
right
was down
one.
Exactly, bro. Like this girl I married when I was in 2nd grade, bro.
You gave her a ring pop, bro?
Yes, bro.
She didn't treat you right, son.
She ate the ring.
Yes, bro. She should have kept it forever. I
He
get
ate
morbid,
the
bro.
ring. Girl, what you supposed to do?
Okay, Samaya, what you see yourself growing up to be?
A doctor. Yeah, that's how I thought.
I don't think you got enough brain cells.
What?
Yo, she be saying the stupidest stuff, bro.
She's 10 years old.
So,
That.
when I was her age, I was saying more, like a lot more intelligent stuff. Wasn't I saying?
You're very intelligent.
Bruh.
She don't get it from you. I did not mean to say it, cause I mean smart, but like she don't get like the smart stuff from you. She get the like 90, like 1%
So who
is
she get
smart.
from your dad?
No. 1% is smart.
Who she get from your dad?
No, let me finish. 1% is smart and 98%, 99.
Where she get that 99% from?
Somewhere else. That's all I'm
Don't
saying.
be talking.
Okay.
Cause alright.
Put, how do you feel about your mom?
I didn't even get to finish my question. I want to be a doctor, a
Oh, I'm
landlord.
sorry. Go ahead.
I want to be a doctor, a landlord, and that's all.
Bro, you know what, man? I might just start recording
Right,
everything
landlord.
she say and post all the stupid stuff. So
How do you feel about your mom dating?
You know, it's not gonna happen.
You just can't bring a new man to a baby's life. You know that?
Yeah. And you agree with me, bro?
I agree.
Then why are you going against me?
I said you can't just bring.
Shut up.
She's talking
new
about
people.
me. She's talking about
I
me.
said you just can't bring new people to a.
Like
to
what?
a-
What you say?
I said she can't bring new people
Say the question
that we
again.
don't know.
How do you feel about me dating?
It's not gonna happen. That's how I feel.
If a man comes, a what?
I'm not trying to
A who? A Capri Sun?
I'm gonna call Mother Protective Services on you.
And if you get a man and we see this man,
I'm jumping.
he gonna go missing. You never gonna see him again.
I'm gonna call.
So did y'all like my old man?
Who?
We not saying no name.
Who? Say the name.
Okay, last question.
Why
What
does my family have airheads? I don't know. In the video.
What is our favorite thing to do together?
Bro, I know my favorite thing to do with y'all, bro. Not be around y'all. That was clean, wasn't it, bro?
Yeah.
I got a stick in my boot.
So he said I got a stick in your booty.
I think my favorite thing to do is spending time, regardless of what we're doing.
Yes. What if we're getting held by gunpoint? That be like that?
Yes.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way.
Whoa! Hey, yo, bro. End the video.
So that's the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Yeah.
Edit that out. That's it.
Bye, gang.
See y'all in Vegas.